Hi everybody, this is Debbie DeRocco with StellaLife. We're here at LVI this weekend with none other than the beautiful Jill Taylor. She is teaching an amazing hygiene course, and I wanted to have Jill share with you all why it's important, first of all, to have this innovation and StellaLife products and how she's made a difference in her teaching using StellaLife. So Jill, thank you so much for having us, and tell me a little bit about what you found so unique about StellaLife.
You know what, Debbie, thank you for actually asking, because StellaLife is one of those unique products. You know, as hygienists, we're always looking for the one thing. And there's so many choices out there to choose from. But so many patients now are really trending to the more natural kind of things. We've had chemicals that have been thrown at us for years, and we know now that our actual holistic patient wants something that's not going to be harmful to their body, but yet actually supportive. And that's the beautiful thing that I found about StellaLife, is that it actually gives us that support. It not only helps just with like dry mouth, but it also helps if you have like cold sores or burning mouth syndrome. It actually helps to alleviate that pain, as well as actually hydrate. So if we've got that dry mouth, it's hydrating. If we've got pain, it's actually numbing. And then if we've got Perio, even better, it actually helps to reduce those pathogens over time.
Well,
so yeah, it's one of those like all-encompassing products that we don't have on the market that's not going to hurt our body.
Wonderful.
So, and you've got it in a gel. I mean, what are we doing in clinic today? We're going to do Jello shots.
All right.
Prepared by Stella.
So if you are looking for an incredible course to teach your hygiene team about the importance of oral systemic health and all of the new innovations in dentistry, please get in touch with Jill at LVI, and we're so grateful to be here, and thank you again, Jill.
Thank